Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to join a Webex meeting from your laptop. Let's get started, but make sure your laptop is connected to the internet. Open your web browser or the Webex meeting app if you already have it installed. If you are joining from a browser, go to the meeting link you received from the host. This link usually comes in an email or calendar invite. Click the link and it will open a Webex page. If you already have the Webex meeting app installed, you can also open the app. Click on join meeting. Next, enter the meeting number or link in the box provided. This information is usually included in the invitation, and enter your name and email address if required. This helps the host know who is joining the meeting. Before joining, you will see options to turn your microphone and camera on or off. If you don't want to be heard or seen immediately, turn them off. You can always turn them on later during the meeting. Once you are ready, click join. If prompt, choose whether to join through computer audio. This will allow you to hear and speak during the meeting using your laptop. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to join your Webex meeting from your laptop. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.